The present government's decision to withdraw high value currency notes from circulation was a bolt from the blue. Stop the time consuming process to print new notes and replace scrapped ones, coupled with a cap on daily cash withdrawals, created panic among 24 crores bank account holders. Stop most rushed and stood in queues before banks to exchange their old currency notes and get their daily quota of cash. Stop the Supreme Court being the panacea of all is several public interest litigations were filed challenging the validity of demonetization. Stop. The SC decided to focus on ameliorating the harassment faced by common people forced to stand in queues for hours by the government's decision to demonetize without warning. Stop on Friday. An SC bench headed by the Chief Justice of India surprised many by its grim assessment of the possible fallout of people being forced to stand for hours in frustratingly long queues. Stop para. There could be riots, it said, if a bench headed by CJI T.S. Thakur, who has 22 years of experience as a judge of constitutional courts, fears so it could be true. Stop. For judges have deep insight into the psychology of common people who throng the courts in search of justice. Stop. Indians are used to standing in queues in our childhood. Water used to trickle down the public tap for 2 hours every morning and evening. Stop. Vessels of various shapes and sizes used to be kept in queue, the length of which was a spectacle for us. Stop. There were fights, but in the small towns of Odisha in the late 70s, we as children never saw a riot. Stop. When we grew up a little, we stood in queues for hours for various purposes, to get ration and kerosene from PDS shops, to pay electricity bills, to pay college fees, and to pay cinema tickets. Stop. In Delhi, all these queues were still in existence. Stop. In addition, we found people standing in long queues every time a kind person offered free food on festive occasions. Stop. Poverty alongside Delhi's opulence was a surprise for many of us. Stop. At AIMS, people come from far flung areas and queue up early morning to get OPD card made. Stop. They wait till late afternoon to get access to a doctor who tirelessly examines patient after patient through the day. Stop. This is the patience of the people in the capital. Stop. Para. Did a riot take place there in the past? Sign of interrogation. The SC, in its February 25, 1998 judgment in Ram Lovaya case, had said the right of a citizen to live under Article 21 casts obligation on the state stop. This obligation is further reinforced under Article 47. It is for the state to secure health to its citizen as its primary duty. Stop. No doubt government is rendering this obligation by opening government hospitals and health centers, but in order to make it meaningful, it has to be within the reach of its people as far as possible. To reduce the queue of waiting lists, the SC would like to have a fresh look at the facilities in hinterland government hospitals which have rotted over the last few decades. Stop. Let us not forget the queues before temples. Stop. In A.S. Narayana case, the SC described the queue at Tirumala Tirupati temple. Thus, Lord Venkat temple of TTD has its centuries-old history. Stop. It had its glory with the patronage of Chola kings who donated large tracts of land for its maintenance and upkeep. Stop. Equally, it suffered plunder by French invaders and British Empire, which used its income as part of the public exchequer. It has regained its great glory with immense faith and devotion the people have in Lord Venkat, who visit daily in lakhs, wait in queue for a day for darshan for a few seconds.